In the realm of close quarters combat, the submachine gun, SMG, reigns supreme, offering a unique blend of speed and precision that can turn the tide of any fast-paced encounter. With their high fire rate and low recoil, SMGs are optimized for rapid engagements, allowing users to maintain control even in the most chaotic scenarios. The lightweight build of SMGs facilitates swift movement, enabling operators to dart through tight corridors and clear rooms with agility, making them ideal for urban warfare and close quarters battle (CQB) situations. Unlike their heavier counterparts, SMGs provide unmatched mobility, allowing users to outmaneuver opponents with ease. While SMGs do sacrifice raw damage and range for their speed and control, their ability to unleash quick, accurate bursts at close range compensates for these drawbacks. This makes them particularly effective against multiple targets in confined spaces where every second matters. Quick reloading further enhances the SMG's role as the weapon of choice for those who value precision and speed over brute force. Whether facing opponents head-on or executing tactical maneuvers, choosing an SMG means embracing a style of combat that prioritizes agility and control, key elements for dominating in close quarters engagements.